Hello everyone, welcome to my StudyTech YouTube channel. Today I am going to demonstrate how to make the box plot with the help of R. So here is the bar plot of this data. So we'll make the box plot with this data. For that, go to the video description and here is the link for the R script. Go to this and here is the R box plot. So you have to download the box plot script, this one, and the data.csv, this one. Let's copy this to file into the documents and the working directory of the R. So then open the R Studio. Let's clean it and make the StudyTech folder as a working directory. So here is the file. Let's set as a working directory. Let's open the script. Here is the script. So to make the box plot, you have to load the ggplot2 and this library. If your system doesn't have these two library, so install it first with this to command. After installation, load this to library and press enter. After loading the library, next command is to load the data from the CSV. So here the read CSV command for the data CSV as a data frame. Let's load the data and view the data. And enter. So here is the data, sample A and their value, sample B their value, and sample C their value. So it is done, and after that first make the box plot with this script. So the box plot will be made with the value of the sample, this one, and data will be this data frame. In x-axis it will be the sample, y-axis it is the value and unit, and main the StudyTech as a headline, and color of the column or the box will be red, green, blue. You can change it according to your need. Let's run it. So here is the box plot. Let's change it here. Here is the fine box plot, sample A, B and C. Let's add the data point. To add the data point, you have to run this script. Let's copy and paste. So here the same thing happened, the value, sample and data frame as a data, and method will be jitter, and this is the 20 will create the black dot, and the color will be the black. So let's enter. So now you can see the data pointer shown as a black dot. So you can export this box plot as an image, PNG, or any JPG TF file. Let's save it, and we can also save it as a PDF for higher resolution. Let's check the image. So here is your box plot of the same data, and here is the PDF. So it is a higher resolution of your box plot. You can edit this PDF in Adobe Photoshop according to your need. So now you can edit this CSV file, and you can put your data point in this CSV, and after that you can save it this CSV, and you can load in R to make your own box plot. So it was a whole tutorial to make the box plot with the help of R. Please like and subscribe to our channel. I am making this type of tutorial video